Okay, go ahead.
Happy birthday, Grandpa.
Tell Grandpa what you're cooking.
I'm cooking some yogurt and Daddy's cooking some pancakes and Mommy's enjoying the food and Mommy hasn't looked at the menu yet. Hi, Grandpa.
Hi, Grandma.
Grandpa.
Does Daddy want to say happy Grandpa's birthday?
Are you going to send that to him?
Yeah, baby, I'm recording right now. I'm recording you behind, so turn around and say something.
You're a grub.
I'll say, Grandpa,
That dog's waiting for you. He
hey,
wants to go.
Grandpa, you
Trump.
know what? Mommy's enjoying the food,
Mm-hmm.
and she hasn't looked at the menu, huh?
Mm-mm.
So maybe when you're done, maybe when you enjoy the food, you can look at your menu. I know what to say now. Mommy's still enjoying the food, and Daddy's cooking some pancakes.
He'll get his big birthday present when he gets here.
He'll get his big
It's called a four-legged present, and it goes bark, bark. We got one picked out for him.
What?
A doggy.
Yeah.
Don't you want to get Grandpa a doggy?
You want a chihuahua, Grandpa?
Oh, I'm sure Grandma will be just excited with Chihuahua.
Okay.
Yay.